our channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we are going to be hauling 4 vehicles today. We're picking up 4 vehicles in Tracy. Do you have any questions?
It's 5:18 p.m. and we're at Odessa in Golden Gate in Tracy. We're picking up this Toyota Camry and this Ford Mustang along with 2 other vehicles.
Welcome back to our channel, and looks like the sun is down. Look at that beautiful sunset.
Wow, it is pretty.
I don't know about the sunset, but yeah, we're out of daylight, guys.
Yes. So we generally never work in the evenings, but it was figured we'd come pick them up to get an early start tomorrow. Came in walking, of course. We found the Mustang. Then we used the Mustang to drive around, both of us, to locate this vehicle. Now that we have this one, we're leaving the Mustang by the entrance exit, which is right down there, and we'll go ahead and locate the other 2 vehicles. It's 5:26. We found another vehicle, so now we have the Sentra, the Mustang, and a Camry. Now we're going to go back and look for the Mazda. Now we just found the last vehicle. I just took photos right now that there's still a little bit of daylight left. Electricity, but it's not turning over, so I gave it a jump with his Costco jumpers and it started right up. It's 5:37. We're back at the trailer. I brought out the Mazda with the battery issues, and he brought out the Nissan Sentra. Of course, we have to go back in for 2 more vehicles. It's 5:44. I think it's lined up.
It is lined up. I was looking at the backup camera.
Oh, you do have one.
Yeah. Yeah, wow. Yeah. I gotta get off anyway because it's pitch black. So this is gonna be my guideline right here. That's where that wheel have to end up there, right there.
Now it is dark, but as you can tell here at Odessa, there's multiple lights.
I know Don't try doing this in the dark. It's harder than you think.
How is it?
It's harder than I thought. It's harder than you think. It's probably because it's an SUV. It's not a car.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I was right. I was going by my little guideline right here.
Yeah?
Like 1 inch from the frame right here. So I was able to check that on the front tire and the back tire. So we're good. Should I leave it on? No. Oh, no, it's out of...
It's out of gas.
Let me give you the keys.
Yes. It's 6:15. It's currently 43 degrees, but it feels much colder. Has 2 vehicles on the trailer and 2 to load up. He's working on strapping down the 2. As you can see, he has a light on his truck.
As you can see, I don't have a light up here.
He forgot his beanie. He has a beanie with a flashlight, but he forgot it.
I didn't think it was going to get dark on us. We should have left early.
What do you want next?
Well, what do you think?
Oh no, the Mustang?
Is that still on? The what? Where's our SUV? Up there?
You lost it?
No, that's going in next.
Yeah.
So put that in.
I'll get it ready. So the next
Actually,
vehicle?
start raising the ramp up.
No, you're not done.
Oh, yeah, hold up.
He put in his safety pins.
Okay, come on in. Okay, don't look at me, look at where you're going. I'm gonna turn off that light. Okay, I'm gonna lower it.
Go ahead.
Right there, perfect.
Is that one of those trailer pins you can sell to me? Maybe a spare one?
What now?
These pins?
Oh, these pins.
Yeah. If you have a spare one you can sell to me, I don't have a problem buying one.
Yeah, let me check if I do.
I'm putting
Yeah.
something else and I'm scared it might break.
Oh, what do you have? What kind of pins?
One of those,
3 vehicles are loaded and we're about to load the last one.
Oh.
He's checking the height and that is always a good idea.
13.7, 6.
You think it's 13.7?
Let's go see what his height
Let's
is.
see. And this is a Mini 5. Oh yeah, you're at oh, you're at 14. Is that 14?
Yeah,
Oh, you're 14. Damn it. You might.
we'll get on the 5 freeway.
Huh?
We'll get on the 5 freeway.
Yeah. Just be careful. At a certified scale.
Yeah.
And I was okay on the truck, but over here I was okay.
But you had
But-
some heavy SUVs that
Yeah.
time.
Well, you guys do locals, don't you?
Oh yeah, it's all local. Like tomorrow
to
we're
the
going to
Bay and
Sacramento.
back?
Yeah, Sacramento, the Bay, Modesto, Merced. Home every night except tonight.
Well, you're home.
I go
Just
Los
hold it.
Angeles
Yeah.
back and forth.
Damn.
twice
Yeah.
a week.
No, I've been driving truck for almost 30 years. I do this part time. I still drive a big semi truck.
You do?
Yeah.
I quit that so I could stay local. Kids, you know how it is.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. My kids are grown up, so I'm gonna strap this down. It's getting late.
Yeah, you guys
Nice
take care.
meeting you, sir.
Same here. I'll keep updated on your videos.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it more difficult to do this in the dark?
Well, I made a mistake by not bringing my beanie with the flashlight. It would have been so easy.
That's right.
So, to answer your question, yes, I do. Yeah, because if you don't know your trailer, it'll be very difficult to do this in the dark. You know what? It's not bad, huh? Look at all this space. For being an SUV, sometimes we get SUV, the bumper sticks out way out there.
Yeah. It's a small SUV.
Oh wow! Being an SUV, I'm using the mesh, not the hooks. I'm trying to do this side first, and then do the other side with the ladder.
Oh, that makes sense.
Normally, I do the second car so I can raise it, because you're bringing the cars out.
Yeah.
But today, we got all the cars out in the lot.
This thing is a stick shift and it was acting funny when he was driving it earlier.
Am I lined up?
Hold on, I can't see. No, you need to go this way more. Right there's fine, sort of. Okay. You have about 6 inches. That's good right there. And the back of the Mustang is pretty much flush with the trailer, which is nice.
The other one. Yeah, you don't want to leave any keys in there. And then when we get over there, we're going to lock it up.
Okay, I have the flashlight on. I'm using a flashlight on my phone. we could have easily came this way in the morning to pick up these vehicles.
This morning?
No, tomorrow morning.
We got too much stuff to do.
Getting to that.
Oh, well, it's late.
But there's flooding on the way to Sacramento, so we have to take an alternate route. And there's
No.
Yes, there is.
No. There is flooding, but that's not the car lots don't open up until 10.
Correct.
If it was CarMax, I would have been there at 6 in the morning.
Correct. But if we have to come here in the morning,
Can you flash the light
they
over
don't
here,
open
please?
here until 8. By the time we get the vehicles and end up in Sacramento, it would be noon at.
It's because we got to go to Roseville
Exactly.
and Rockland.
Yes, and Sacramento.
3 stops. We did have 4. We eliminated 1,
Yes.
which is good. I didn't feel like doing a bunch of stops tomorrow.
So in order to leave early, and we picked up the vehicles today.
Perfect. Morning. Well, as you can see, I got a full load today.
Full load.
And then whenever you hook up to these trailers, the trailer doesn't have any brake system when they're disconnected. They tend to move a little bit. So you can either shock the wheels in the trailer or hook up your cord here. I'm gonna get in the cab in the truck and I'm gonna pull the trailer brake to 10. I'm gonna put it on 10, the pressure. Okay.
That way, as he's backing up, the trailer doesn't move because the trailer brakes are on and he'll be able to connect. Yep. You notice the trailer didn't move at all. Well, it moved over, but
Did it work?
it worked.
Did it move at all?
Well, it moved to the side, but that
Well,
makes
yeah,
sense.
but did it go back and forth?
No, no.
it was- yeah.
And like he said before, he does have a full load. Now, as you this load here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head out to Sacramento and deliver these vehicles. Stay with us as we deliver these 4 and pick up 1. We're on Highway 5, just north of Stockton before Lodi, and Highway 99. The other freeway that goes to Sacramento is closed due to flooding, so a lot of the traffic is merging onto Highway 5. So now we have a delay. It's not bad, right?
They're getting off and they're going to 99.
The 99's closed. Oh, because the closure, we just passed it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at all the flooding.
So it's wildlife right here. There's a creek right here that overflowed it. Right here. Wow.
And we're approaching a creek, and it's called Middle Slough.
Yeah.
So it looks like Middle Slough overflooded. And you can't tell, but the water goes on for quite a ways. Just arrived at a car lot in Sacramento where we're going to go ahead and deliver the 3 vehicles. We're going to deliver this, that, and that. So position 1, 2, and 3 will be delivered. Of course, the Mustang will have to be unloaded and then reloaded. The Mustang is going to be going to Roseville. Now, like I said, it's 9 o'clock. The car lot's going to open for us at 9:30, but that gives us plenty of time to unload the vehicles, park them in their lot, and wait for them to open. A lot of times if you call ahead and you ask, they are willing to open early. I have a backup camera, but he's also guiding me.
You got it.
Yay!
Are you sure this is a car lot? We're not just doing all this for nothing?
I hope so.
Okay. All right, because...
Yes, this is the car lot. It's 9:28. All vehicles are delivered. He reloaded as I was getting my signature. He reloaded the Mustang. He just strapped it down. He's doing his final walk around, making sure everything is put away and secure. Now we're going to go ahead and head out to Roseville. Stopping at the scale on our way to Roseville from Sacramento.
See all the officers under the truck?
Mm-hmm.
Checking for cracks, crack lines. It's pretty cool.
Fortunately, we're only delivering one car because in this part of Roseville, the street becomes very narrow. We arrived at the delivery for the Mustang and they were scheduled to open at 10 o'clock. We called them ahead of time, and at 10 o'clock we called and they said they were running late. They'd be there around 11. So fortunately, they'll be there in 10 minutes, so we're driving back. He's parked down there and I'm waiting here by the vehicle, and hopefully they get here fairly soon. Get my signature, give them the keys, and we will head out to Rockland. We're at our next stop, which is in Rockland. We're picking up a Audi from a dealership. It's 11:01 and the last vehicle today is on the trailer. He's tying it down, and of course he's tying down all four wheels of all tires. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again.